It's so noisy, I know. Please do not complain anymore because my store is within the main road of my neighborhood, so don't judge, okay? Hi. I'm like getting pissed off because I kept recording and redoing everything because of the background noises, but I can't help it, okay? By the way, my name is Alice. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, wow, I don't know how this video got to you, but thank you so much for watching. Okay, so it is a life update. It's been a while since I made a video, and I'm gonna explain to you guys why I have been out of the loop. I have been mostly offline. I can't really say I'm 100% offline, but I've like detached myself for a bit from my YouTube life and my blogging, blogging circles. I've been doing a lot lately, and if you can see from my background, this is a little glimpse of what I've been doing. I actually started my own business, which is a bakery and a store, and it's doing pretty well. Honestly, I am surprised that I've learned to be more conscious about what I look like in public because of my business. Like, if I look like trash and I come in the store, people will treat me as if I'm not the owner. But if I wear my makeup, if I wear decent clothes, people actually put more respect to the way they talk to me. Like, it's weird. And I'm really sorry if the light, like, if you think one eyebrow is different than the other, they're actually the same. It's just that the light is coming in here, it's like hitting me only here, and this part is not that pretty. I'm really sorry about that. But with that being said, I have my own business. I've been very busy with my business. I am improving my business day by day, and I'm really happy that I'm doing well, okay? Because I never really expected my business to be that of a success, because a lot of people know this bakery owned by a previous person who didn't really manage it that well. But when we came in the picture, me and my partner came in the picture, a lot of people actually appreciated all the improvements, all the efforts, and I'm like, girl, I got you back. And another thing why I have been very busy is because besides from my business, I also, if you guys do not know, I have a boyfriend now. Yes, if you have been a long time viewer, you guys probably know that I'm one of those YouTubers who have like a bitterness inside about having a date. Like, I've had bad dates, and I made one video about it, and at that time I was like so burnt out from dating anyone, and I just like, you know what, God, if you will send me anyone that is decent enough to and nice enough to me and can withstand my mood swings, that would be great. And he did, and I have a boyfriend now. We've been together for 2 months, and I'm really happy that me and him are quite different in a lot of ways, but somehow we make it work. We make our own adjustments towards the relationship, because oh my god, if you hear our story, you would be surprised how I got here, like how he fell for me. And I'm not like, I'm not being overly dramatic about it. It's true. Like, he told me how he fell for me, and it's kind of weird. And yeah, that's one reason why, if you guys do want to meet my boyfriend, I will make a video about it. If you have any questions about our relationship, go on the comment section. Go do that. Go ask me questions about the relationship. It's fine, okay? It's no problem. And if there will be trolls out there saying shit like, how did he fall in love for a whale like you or a pig like you? Well, screw you, dude or girl or whoever you are. I don't really care. Okay, so Besides that, point number 2, I have a boyfriend now. Point number 3 is that I've been studying. The reason why I've been very busy is I've been studying as well on the side while I'm working. I'm working in my business. I'm like studying all the ropes of accounting, of inventory checks, of taxes, like all those things I have to study on my own, which my mom paid a huge amount of money for me to know these things. But then unfortunately, I did not learn them in school. So if you are younger than me and you're watching this, I really, really want you to study how to file your own taxes, how to like do accounting. Even if you hate it with your life, just do it. You know, it will make your life so much better. I'm not kidding. Yeah, those are the things why I've been very busy, and I hope you guys understand. Like, honestly guys, doing these things that I've done for the past 6 months, I am so surprised. You know, I'm so surprised how I am still a normal being, because all of those things can make you go crazy, and I'm not kidding about that. I'm not joking. Like, studying accountancy, you know, basic accounting is so hard for me. I cried myself to sleep several times. Inventory, you think it's easy? Well, I do know basic inventory from my previous job, but knowing how to be very detailed when it comes to sales, oh my god, oh my good lord, please have mercy on me. Like, I like, my brain just, it's weird and it's really fascinating. Okay, so we're gonna move on to what are you going to expect from this channel now that I'm back making content. Well, for one, I will be doing more of beauty reviews, that's for sure. I've been, you know, trying out a lot of products, and I have them all lined up for you guys to know more about them. Some of them I've already finished, and I just repurchased some of them to, you know, let you guys know what I think about them. There are going to be product reviews you will have to know, like, especially for girls, I will be reviewing feminine hygiene products. So it's gonna be a first for myself, because you know, it's weird to tell girls of things like this, but I think it's really possible, especially for Filipina teens. Like, I'm a Filipina, so might as well share to you guys yung mga nagamit ko na, okay? Yung mga na-try ko na at gusto kong i-try nyo din kasi they're really worth it. There are some products that I think are fails, but I will let you guys know. In terms of video uploads, I'm still trying to juggle if I can do once or twice a week uploads on this channel, and then I have like 2 or 3 times a week vlogs on my other channel, because I don't want my vlogs to be as curated as other vloggers do. You know who I'm talking about. You know, I don't want my time to be spent on editing. I want my time to be spent on talking to people, on getting to know other people. You know, I'm still trying to make up a plan in my head, and I'm like, okay, if I do this, like if I upload like 3 times a week, you know, that's more than that's actually possible. Unlike if I upload every day and I, you know, stress myself to the point of not being motivated enough to make videos, because I make videos for the fun of it. I don't make videos to get views. If, you know, I'm not really here on YouTube to be famous. I'm just here to be appreciated. And, you know, it's kind of weird because once you get noticed, fame can go with it, or being infamous can go with it. Like, I have one video on my vlog channel where a lot of Kathniel fans hated me because I did a commentary about Pangako Sayo. it did get a lot of views, but I did get a lot of hate comments about it, and you know, that's normal. But I don't want my life to be as curated, and I don't want to be like a famous YouTuber. Like, I don't really consider myself famous. I consider myself known. You know, like, people know me, but I ain't famous, okay? I don't want to be famous. It's really weird to say I don't want to be famous, because you know, I maybe in the future I can be famous, but I just want to get to know you guys. So that's one of the big things I want to do for 2018 for this channel, is that I want to get to know you guys. So your comments, your suggestions, your tweets, your, you know, comments on my Instagram pictures means a lot to me. So that's what I would like you guys to do as well, is to be more interactive with me, okay? If I post a product review, share your thoughts about it if you've tried it. Or if you haven't tried it, you can ask me more questions, you know, on the comment section. If you want to just like strike a conversation with me, like one person who just randomly comments, hey, why don't you try SK2? SK2 is freaking expensive, but the conversation me and that person had was so fun, so funny. I really liked it, and I appreciate those kinds of comments, you know, those kinds of conversations. To the trolls out there, I don't really get why you're doing it. Like, I've already done a lot of videos about trolls and haters, and I don't really give a crap about you guys anymore, because I'm in that age that I don't give a crap anymore. But yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I know this is kind of long. I hope you guys understand. I just really missed doing videos like these for you guys, and I hope to see you guys on my next video, probably on 2018. I'll start